Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a really long time, I know. So this video has been overdue like from a really long time. So welcome back, and today we're gonna do 3 different paintings. So for these are the things that you need. So I'm using my Sharpie pen which has this twin tip, and I'm really loving this one, and you need to get this because you can do both fine lines and the bold lines with those, and others I'm just using to fill the if there is large space that you want to fill faster, then it's better to do it with the bold markers. So all these markers I'm gonna use, and this is the cute sketchbook that I found in the dollar store. So the first drawing that we're going to draw is, it's not actually a painting or a drawing, it's just a pattern. So I'm gonna make some blocks with it. So I don't have a scale right now, so I'm just using this to do my blocks. So that's on you. If you want bigger blocks, you can go for bigger. If you want smaller ones, you can go for smaller, but I prefer the smaller ones. So then you can draw any pattern or any flower. I'm drawing a feather here. Either you can choose a leaf also, like a maple leaf or like a peacock feather or like that. And then we're gonna start filling all these different blocks with different colors. So first you need to choose the color pattern that you're gonna do it. Like I'm choosing green here, all shades of green with black color, some of black color, and some of the blocks I'm gonna just leave blank, and then see what happens. It will give you a very nice illusion of feather or whatever pattern you have drawn. It will look really good. Okay, so just keep drawing and see what's in the end painting. Okay guys, so this is the end result, and it is looking really good. I know it takes a lot of time, but that's what I was saying, that all these different paintings that I'm going to show, that is just for your time pass. You can take time watching TV or anything, and you can fill those colors with them. Okay, so the second one, again I'm gonna mark my border. So the straight, I want it straight, so that's why I'm using a little bit of lining here, and just keep watching it and you'll know what to do. So the first year I was so busy with my kid. All this time I was thinking that no, this month I'll make a video, no, next month, next week, and so on. I didn't get a time at all. So it's been really hard for me to take out some time off from the daily routine of my life with my kid and the home. I left my job and everything just to be with my kid, and because I really don't want to miss those special moments with him. So that's why I just took a year break with between. So I'm all totally back now, and so I'll keep updating new videos every week for sure, and keep watching my videos. And please, sorry for the delay. I hope you can understand. All this time I was really busy. Okay, so this is what the painting looks like, and I think it's really cute. I'm gonna just either you can, you can take this and frame it and put it on a wall. It will look really good modern art kind of thing. It's really good. These colors look really good on a white wall. So the third one is this, and I'm gonna make a scratch art, and either you can make your own scratch art paper, or you can buy this from any department, these stationery shops. I just bought it from online, so it's very cheap as well. So I'm gonna make some mandala or zentangle with on it, and this comes with this tool. Either you can use any kind of like a toothpick or something very sharp kind of pointy thingy, so that you can scratch it. And trust me, you can there are endless possibilities with scratch art. So next time I'll make a video. I'll try to make a video of especially only for these different ideas about the scratch art, because I really I'm into all these different gradient colors and all, because we can play a lot with those colors. So either you can do zentangles or different kind of illusion thing, like in middle you will make a black color cat and all around different patterns with colors. So there are endless possibilities. So I'll make sure to make a video only related to this. And I couldn't finish the whole video actually. I don't know what happened. Somehow my rest of the video got deleted, but it's okay. I think you got the concept. I just filled the whole space with different patterns, and it was looking really great. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do comment and like this video and give me a thumbs up. And hope to see you next week with a new video. Bye bye.